In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to have multiple Roblox accounts open at once. Let's get started. First, open your desktop and go to the browser. In the search bar, type roblox.com, provide your credentials and log into your account. Now choose the game that you want to play. After that, click download Roblox to get the game running. Now launch Microsoft Store, search for Roblox and then click on install. Complete the download and installation process from Microsoft Store. Launch it, provide your credentials and log into your account. Now you have Roblox installed from two different sources, the website and the Microsoft Store. This will allow you to run two Roblox instances on your desktop at once. When both are up and running, sign into one account on one instance and use a different account on the other. You can even play the same game with both accounts at the same time. And that's it. You now know how to have multiple Roblox accounts open at once. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.